Welcome to the Digital Marketplace project overview. What we're going to be building in this project is a marketplace. That means that buyers and sellers can come together and sell and buy things, right? That's what a marketplace is, and that's what we want to do. So this marketplace is going to be featuring digital products, but more specifically, high resolution images versus any other sort of digital product. And a digital product is MP3s, MP4s, PDFs, audiobooks, ebooks. Basically, any downloadable media file will work with this project. But our project, we are going to focus more on the high-res images stuff because you'll want to use images on pretty much all of those other file types anyway. Now, if you're going to be focusing on video download and streaming, I definitely recommend taking a look at the Serve Up membership project, because the Serve Up membership project will show you how to do the streaming portion of it, where this will show you how to do the password protected downloaded portion of it. So what that leads us into is the password protected downloads. What does that mean exactly? Well, when you actually upload normal media to Django, you are going to be kind of exposing it in a way that you might not necessarily want to expose it. This is going to get more clear when we actually go through that part, but basically we want to make sure that all of this content that's being uploaded and then sold to be downloaded is going to be nice and password protected. So a user has to be logged in and they have to have had purchased the product to be able to download it. So that's one way on how we're going to do it, is password protected downloads. So another way to look at that is kind of like if you use iTunes or Google Music and you log into your account and you can download your music that you've already purchased. That's password protected downloads. Another one is a time sensitive and unique URL download. Now this is a little bit different. So what this means is we give a unique URL so the user can download it based on a certain amount of time. So let's say, for instance, this URL expires in 2 hours and then they can go and download it. And with that, we will also have the number of times that they can quote unquote download it based off of that URL. We'll also wrap that in there as well. And then finally, some more of the basic things that aren't specific just to the digital marketplace, but we'll also add in approvals for user uploading. That's fairly simple, but it's something that you might want to know just so you can have not everyone being able to upload and sell, but you only have a select group of people. With that, you could also change on, like, maybe this is your premium top tier, photographers or musicians or whatever, depending on your digital marketplace. And then finally, checking out with Braintree payments. This is also going to be a very simple version of this. We're not going to cover all the billing things because there's a lot you can do with that. And we're also not going to be covering payouts. So we're not going to be covering how to actually pay the person who sold any particular digital product. We'll show you how to see what they have sold, but not how to pay them out, because that starts to get very complicated and there's a lot of things that could go wrong that we just can't cover in a reasonable amount of time. If that is something that you really, really want to see, let us know when we start covering Braintree payments. And if you are one of those people, definitely vote it up or recommend it on our suggest page, which is joincfe.com/suggest. And finally, we'll have a user library. So everything that any particular user actually owns will be within reasonable amount of time be able to actually select and download. And that's going to be true for a time sensitive and unique URL download, as well as a let's download it right now type of download, or a password protected download. Okay, so if you have any questions on this project overview, definitely let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you in the next one.